It's up to you.
Very good.
Yeah. I've got other harnesses, and you can probably strap it to that.
Yeah, that's good.
Great success. Look.
I think this is it.
Hazır.
Having your fight? No.
Matt inspecting his good quality t-shirt.
Red's gone. The name isn't on the back anymore somehow when I was given one, but still alright. Traffic. More or less efficient than a British road? Probably, because nobody's moving.
Bugs Bunny.
لكم ما تلفت اليوم
And here's Matt raving with his breadstick.
That's unfortunate because I don't think we want to be going to North.
That's because it's a bit older than the other one.
Is that one of the whole building's windows? Is that one of those reflecting
kickstand down here, most of the time the engine doesn't run, so you need to get it started and then put the kickstand up and then sort of prop it against something so it can just tick over and warm up, which is nice. If you ever manage to get it started. Brake. This is your front brake. Right lever is your front brake. That will lock up your front wheel, which will make you skid and fall off. So go a bit sparingly on that one. Your main brake, so to speak, is this pedal. This pedal. Not doing this again. This pedal. Right. So, wait, which one? That one. When you brake, try and hit them both at the same time, basically. If you're going downhill or something, or on a gravelly surface, don't just yank that because you will just skid and fall off. Doesn't matter too much because when you fall off a monkey bike, it's a bit like falling off a short stool. But if you're going fast, or if you're going in front of a bus or something, or towards a cliff edge, then it might matter. But try not to do that.
And then this one is what they call the main jet, so if it's not revving high, it's going when it's on high RPM, that normally means that one's blocked.
The middle one, the pilot's the small one.
Yeah, so that one's the pilot jet. That one.
So no, I mean,
You started off poorly. They're all looking pretty annoyed at you. They're all talking about themselves like, which lemon?
This Matt testing his gnarly hog.
Gnarly hog. I can see some liquids on the floor, which is not a good sign.
Oh, lovely. Hey. Oh, what a ride! That's gnarly.
Alibaba on this gnarly hog.
Alibaba.
Your headlight's flickering. It's gone off.
Oh, reliability issues already. Yeah.
It's not making a nice noise.
Oh.
Started.
Oh Christ!
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That was close. Oh!
Both.
Oh, he's stuck. Stuck.
I need a beer at least.
Yes. Yeah.
Whereabouts?
You find it?
I think it's pretty solid.
Bloody hell. Mark fitting his rack.
Don't think it's going to fall off, do you?
No.
I think they are fall off.
Oh, is he, yeah, Mark's leaky bike.
Yeah.
You need to go.
Oh wow.
And I was like, yeah, so I come down, take a picture.
It kind of almost like and stops, right?
It's a work of art. What's that?
It's like a work of art.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, as long as it covers the hole.
Well, that hole is, everyone's got that hole.
Yes.
So you don't want to cover that.
Shouldn't be leaking from
Well,
the
as long as it just
You need to cover the
just smear
lines
it all
either
around the
side.
joint, yeah.
yeah, that's it.
Give us some of that.
I think that'll probably do.
On your, yeah.
Probably want that as well.
Down to Bordeaux in a day, then Bordeaux to Salamanca, we did Salamanca down to Algeciras.
We need to find somewhere.
So we don't end up riding in the dust in there. Okay, I've written it down. Agafu Desert, end, start line, end, finish line. Yeah, start line is in the. Ah, the putt.
It's only says Agafu Desert.
Does this license work in Algeria as well?
Oh,
Let me know.
brilliant.
You will see the tracking map with the location on it.
Small camera.
Small camera, yeah.
What is creative bike rack inspection? The final walk to get the monkeys. Ready to go. Yeah. Nearly time. One-handed, watch out.